Welcome. In front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to install Windows 11 from USB on this laptop. So in order to do this, you're gonna need an empty USB device. Basically it doesn't have to be empty, but if you have any files on it, then better back them up somewhere where you can easily reach them after you finish this operation. Now the next thing that you're gonna need is a PC device with internet access on it. It can be this laptop if you have an operational system on it, but if you don't worry, you can easily create a bootable USB device on a different PC, which I'm gonna do right now. So first let me begin by switching to a different PC device and show you what you have to do next. So first open the web browser on this device and insert the USB flash drive into this PC. Then enter Windows 11 download in the search engine and search for the official Microsoft.com website that says download Windows 11. Open this website, then scroll to the very bottom of the list and click select download and change this value to Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for x64 devices. Then click confirm and wait until your request is validated. Then select the product language from the list and click confirm. After that, select 64-bit download and wait until the ISO file is downloaded. In the meantime, we can download the program which we'll be using for creating an ISO, for creating a bootable USB flash drive, which is Rufus. So search for Rufus. You're gonna find the official rufus.ie website. Open it, scroll down this website to the download section, select this latest version at the top of the list. For me it's Rufus 4.9. Try to run this program, and if it doesn't run on your PC, you can go with the same but x86 version. So if it doesn't run, just click right here, and in this program you have to expand the device list and select your USB flash drive right here. Then you're gonna have to wait until the ISO file is downloaded to proceed. Once it's downloaded, you have to click select, then select your ISO file. After you do that, don't change any settings, you don't need to do that. Just click start. You can uncheck any checkboxes in this window, then click OK, and then just wait until, first of all click OK on the following window, then wait until the status bar says ready. And once the status bar says ready, you can safely close the program and safely eject the USB flash drive. Then let's get back to the laptop. Insert the USB flash drive into the laptop, then press the power button once to turn your PC on and start immediately pressing the F10 button repeatedly until the boot menu appears on your screen. Okay. For some reason I just entered the BIOS menu. Let's press escape without saving changes and start pressing escape button instead. Excuse me for this mistake. So just repeatedly press the escape key while your device is turning on. Okay. And right now, using down arrow key, navigate to boot menu and press enter to open it. Then select the USB flash drive. For me it's UEFI generic USB 3.0. Once you navigate to it, press enter to select it. And because I forgot to mention that, in order to exit the BIOS or the setup menu, you have to press escape and then use navigate to yes, and then press enter. And once you see the setup screen, you can change the time and currency format by expanding this list and selecting the value that you need. Then click next. Then you can choose the keyboard or input method by expanding this list and selecting the value here. Then click next. When you're ready, hit the checkbox next to I agree everything will be deleted, including files, apps and settings. Then click next. Read and accept the user agreement by clicking right here. And then we're gonna have to prepare disk for the Windows installation process. As you can see, we have 4 partitions here. These are the partitions of the SSD in your laptop. All you have to do is select each of these partitions and then click delete partition right here. And do this to each one of them. Once you do that, you'll be left with 238 gigabytes of unallocated space, and if you want to install your Windows on it, creating only one disk on your computer, just click next. If you want to have 2 separate disks on your device, you have to select create partition, then provide the size in megabytes. For system disk, we're gonna need 100,000 to 150,000 megabytes. So I'm gonna create a 100,000 megabytes partition for the system disk this way, by entering this value. Then click apply. And then we're gonna use the rest of unallocated space for creating a separate partition. So use this unallocated space, click create partition, then click apply. Okay, and now we can have 2 disks, except for you're gonna have to you're gonna have to search for disk management in your Windows once you're done, and then give a letter to this partition to make it a separate disk on your device. But for now, let's begin the Windows installation. For that, select your system partition. For me, it will be this one, the third one, which is 146 gigabytes in size. Click next, and then click install and wait until the Windows is installed. And that's it. The installation process is complete. Now you can get to set up your PC. If you need some help on your way, we have a video on our channel explaining how to set up your PC step by step. So if you need this video, go ahead and check it out. And for this one, that will be all. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.